Hey y'all, coming to you from international headquarters, ScottieDTV, but I was at the 2021 Birmingham World of Wheels. And you remember sometime back, a few weeks back, I shot a Nova out at Holcomb's, a 66 Nova that didn't have a nose on it, wasn't finished. Well, I caught up with it at Birmingham, so here it is. I know y'all are going to like it. Let me get the camera turned around, let's check it out.
Looking a whole lot better this time than the last time we seen it. Although, even without a nose on it, you could tell it was going to be a cool car. But yeah, I like the fact that I was able to catch up with it in Birmingham, get it shot, get it out to you, let you see it finished, and tell you that you can come see it in person at the 2021 Pigeon Forge Rod Run, part of the ScottieDTV Dirty Dozen. One of the cars I personally invite to come up there. Tim and his wife confirmed they will be there. They'll answer any questions you may have. I really like those LED lights on the Holcomb interior. Steve and the boys, of course, crushed it. I love the seat choice that they used. Not just the design of the leather, but the actual foundation, the seat part of it, I think is very cool. It's got a race seat to it, but it's not all high back where it doesn't fit in the car to the build. And look at the difference just in indoor and outdoor. That car, that leather, it looks so much more bright coppery colored, orangish, than it does in the light of the building. And then up underneath, you can see how closely Steve was able to match that to the trim color. But yeah, a lot of this paint does it. Paint's really bad about giving you two different colors under different lights. But these leathers can do the same thing. They can look light and dark depending on if they're indoors or outdoors. I love these cars. All you gotta do is put wheels on them, get the stance right, and away you go. You can do more like that Tim did here, but you don't have to. He's had the car since 1989. What is that, like 30 years? I'm good at math, but not while I'm trying to put a video together at the same time. 30, 40 years, something like that. He's had it forever. It was drag raced it for a while. And I think that's cool because it was at one time a drag car, and the roll bar is kind of a tip to the history of the car. Although Steve will tell you what a pain in the neck, because he put that headliner in with that roll bar already in there and finished and everything. So it was a real job to get it in there. And usually I can take them or leave them, but in this car with its history, I think it's cool that it still has a roll bar in it. And I really dig that stitching, that bright blue stitching on that copper color leather. I think it sets it off really well, of course. And then they accented the underneath just, you know, beautifully too. Used some more of that copper color. I think the car just turned out very, very nice. I'm excited. It's going to be at the, like I said, at the Dirty Dozen this year, 2021 Pigeon Forge Rod Run, April. Come see it, come talk to me, come talk to the owners of the car. I can't promise you I can get Steve there. He might be there on Saturday. Wheels are a personal choice. No one set will please everybody, but I'm okay with the wheels they chose. It's a traditional type for these cars, and they wear them well. Good stance, nice car. I wouldn't change anything again except for the name on the title. I think it turned out really nice. All that panel work is done now. The nose is on it. But we could see the engine a whole lot better when it was at Steve's. So, and you can go back and watch that video, you know, it's full feature again when it was at Steve's getting the interior put in. Again, I think it turned out nice. I knew y'all would want to see it done, and I'm glad I could get it to you before the Dirty Dozen. I dig it. So there you go from the 2021 Birmingham World of Wheels, a 1966 Nova Chevy II. Hope y'all enjoyed it. See ya!
Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.